push van de rode tame outside maar camera stand.
Piece of the cardboard box. Boxy the beer.
Far too conventional. Conan, that's far too conventional.
Lowerhay.
Yes.
Corpina for 2 year in Strage.
No, to Aspa Corpina and Strage.
And bhfuil a bhí codí leat le rudaí hart an teach.
Yeah. Okay. Everybody knows that now. Yes.
Come on, let's go.
Man, well, Conan knows just you can come out now. It's okay. Sin seomra bug Manuel. The cushion bug is Dion agus just current chasers Stian chin.
Ar bhfuil leat me copa do té máidína.
Yes, well sin achan in éire will taste Dion.
Yeah, tá.
You're a bit like Michael Scott and you do check rash with Jamaica man. Still hanging on to that Ecuadorian life.
Just a gear of a glass ó híh rudaí a thusaid agus what's agad?
I'd take him. So ní céite a glanú.
Céite a glanú just a thusaid páirteanna don whoa of
Yeah, take him. Take him. Well, fair enough.
Yeah.
But you still haven't guessed the final ingredients of my camera stand. Condiment at all.
Beidir rudaí ón ceistína.
Is condiment on chistí a éhan tú le bia?
Red sauce.
No, maybe condiment's the wrong word. Is salt a condiment?
I don't think so.
Because ní spicy.
It is. It's very spicy. The lot. Yeah, what's your hair? What's your hair? What's that spice in the food?
Vinegar. Make it spicy.
Make it spicy in the best cooking up chiplets.
Haig má landlord is deach agus no joke is escalatia do. Haig sé is deach le Lortlam agus tháinig sé mala salt an tablet and he goes, oh. And he lifted it up and picked up the salt and did this here. He goes, oh, so tasty.
Current dini says buan cod war sal and the beef.
Yeah, Aachen rud. In ye do so be in yerin. Wachi me an aspa song, agus in ye do check the ash ta nomarka song and Aachen rud yerin dini.
Yeah.
Agus sparet lad.
Wild barrier.
But like to be fair, always should a wad nice mo be aid heen. So beige go nice loose salon can other hit a constant be a hen shit na ta veoganya.
I Neil sounds like Senar on the shop is really the torch. Yeah.
I could say Neil Sugum, but like ta shit jumped inniu was really mission. But to make cancer and be a hen shit so while ni an shit takeaways no so while shar scarby. Agus they being shit always could be at him. So sound in shit the beer could wait an arm shouldn't team sound Tabasky Hillish. And digging to it's not like Shepherd's Shepherd's pies and oven to cut sound Hannafin. It's Jack.
I Neil said a cannot Chinese the buckets this the Howlness D on Hannafin, yeah.
Neil City can pre-made meals whatever we were saying. Yeah. No oven food. Neil City can't oven food. Oven food is a lot of so anyway.
And far more often food a bhí onat sa? Yeah.
Really?
No,
Ah,
my current case start. My current case start.
And wrong. Ag brach an tam cadíhí go ra te sin a codúil áhan fu a bhegad le níl tríúach le i gatainine le hiíog seart always.
Current sé cinne saonas orm áhan food. Níl son cefa.
Brahan si go dé an.
Ag just ag arc shepherd's pie TVC de plastic. This is an abomination.
It's brown, because 20 minutes and it's done, and it's meat and potatoes and gravy, and yeah, agus higlet like Lermore higlet the chojama christach Lermore broccoli agus carrots all though because pretty great actually.
The punch yogurt.
Yes, I understand. I understand your disgust. What other things disgust you?
New magic goal. She's in Balakshan and you.
No, we are. I feel like this is going to be a much more interesting discussion than rewilding and long distance walks.
Yeah, hurts. Sinus or
Gen Z want to know what disgusts long-haired gentlemen.
Dini about Grug Gar alright. God damn it. Cut Rodella Hearn Suvness arm or not Suvness Sinus arm. Dini Lordstam Barrack Margin. Like also a kid rather margin, Dini Gary Cora on the way of it.
Yeah. Tamisha costly shin, but I think soundness is a really strong word.
No, that's the way we're going for.
Okay. Soundness. An saunasach agus gestinach.
Play much other much here agus be much smuinchu grow better differ bug on.
Maybe I said that. I think actually.
No, it's coming on be much arc suas. Sure, be much play or if a couple of last a group chat just take arc suas definitions I guess really.
You see gestinach is like I really don't like that. It kind of disgusts me. But saunasach, ní hílan go focal, ní hílan go le John America. Saunasach is like very deep.
Yeah.
Deep. You're gonna make me sick, man.
Makes you book. Currently book could give me do.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Saunus.
Niels agam ken take that the Raj and blast deed.
Hegum scanan no urskiel screwy ding this Darvanium Saunus, some poor orphan whose awful parents named them Saunus and abandoned them.
Captain made go anim into das Saunus.
All right, Jack. Leave Jack alone.
No, ní sin Jack sin dunne ó wall clean nach and D slender. Nach digla and ma tamashig munu dunne Jack agus Jerem Jan sin. Cad? Jack Dan? It's like Dan.
You've got two accents. You've got thick South Derry and you've got poor American accents. And that's the poor American accent of a man who learned Connemara Irish.
No, like Dan. Like, yes. But tatu giri the jet and film shan wari the gob.
Eres do a couple of a current sinus are I'm enjoying this.
And D slender dog is a
okay, yes, put on for sin. Dana shin the niche. Okay, hit that.
But I will differ a ganouns moon and will differ on it or D Berla August D August and Ja like in Jan.
Yeah, because they'll say, do you know? No, they'll not say ja, they'll say do you know?
Tá an ghil defar a Connemara tá sé tá ceann tá je ach tá logan de sin, but níl agam an moon.
I'm not going to pretend that I do as much research into phonetics and pronunciation as you do. We'll let this one pass.
Okay. Tá Liam Burham.
One more thing.
A bheith cancelled.
Rud away now. Rud new a churn sinusart.
Dúirt mé tá ní trí rud a rá iniste. Just an bharr a cheann.
Dine glór leat ar maidin shepherd's pie tipsty the packaging agus and D
Bailile clia and
D
clia bailile clia.
D lahan. Well, D clia and a deal lahan. Difa. More or less.
Yeah. Rud Kierna, yeah.
Dine nach union and D heel.
Yeah. Good díreach. Agus sin na trí rudaí is mó chun jestín orm.
Okay.
Tá bhhamid seo scarbe.
Okay.
Agus thucail am níos mór seo an méid.
And Jig Umson, Clay Shomert. I think it's a fun
Yeah.
game.
Yeah.
Okay. Neil me xenophobic. In Teresh couple shack to my brother go and piece of xenophobic.
Caitheann.
Help. Am I xenophobic?
Liam's search history. Am I xenophobic?
Le tálanis le couple shack nye o lando mensha achan a chlinam gu sasanach. Tagan Soinasorn.
Tá Shannon. Sinus Sasna.
Ní Harley and Shaw agus me a jeer in a lorry Berla.
Yeah.
But I just can't fucking stand the tourist ones. Oh my. Wow, it's really annoying. The armset. Agus near Hershey into Sorm, there are Hannigan Wallahan. Humus Jaffic Shomra Mrioiga Victoria Gastes, August V. Hulme August Levy Shees, August Urclignis, Hulme Dinigan, and check the Jaffic and Falchugus and Farag Soccer Shomersagida, August Shulshis, August Hulme and Ufasach, Leicester Shaw, Hassan, August. Just my toes curled up, my stomach's sort of like,
and not in a good way.
And a real bad way, not an extent, just like, please don't talk to me, don't make me communicate. The sound it made hurt my ears. I was really Hershey Senator. Because I'm not a dirt shit Hershey Stacharum. Because if you enjoy a Lorche Spanish, be peaceable Spanish, I get a Rushi into Broadway last news, a bit of a knob about me not having more Spanish. Anything those kind of people say, just their nose. Anyway, August, what is it? I can't remember, but oh yeah, even the way he spoke Spanish, and though I Lorche Spanish, being glass Leicester ergofoil. Oh, it was so annoying. It was so annoying. Oh my god.
Tegam sin go dtí pointe, tá sé cosú. An bhfuil sé cosú leis an muchaáin nuair a bhfuiln tú le Lloyd Americans de leitheanta sira. Shannon, cé go focailún do le cinneol ignorant travellers ná agus luann siad go hard.
Ní mislumsa ignorance, because ignorance is ignorance, but dini a shilling nach a gregin go bhfuil siad ar an neos fi cut per gaprad agus sin sasanach. Go héirithe sasanach de glún éirithe. Obviously we're talking about, you know,
ex-soldiers.
50 odd. Yeah. No. I don't know.
Hosan ará le leat go raibh siad sa tuisceart.
agus anyway senior Wilmsa dini ogado ní mestelum and they really ní mestelum could mu na but
yeah
could mu am dini jazz ach and sin will me a couple of dinne og assassin and again they thought they were everything like, oh my god man but it's in good and good
tá sogam an fachad seo the ek
the ek yes
seo tá a glúirt faoi.
do you like follow lots of Gen Z TikTokers or something or
Cé much lúirt a dangi Liam.
Came with Lord Chadjanga. Yes, we're trying to branch out, folks. Trying to spread the word of Silawadi wine. Higachen din yet shachas sassani hogan. I feel really bad when that happens because it's my lum there more sassani because it's my lum, cheering assassin or why election do
ní máilm a bheith xenophobic.
Nothing to do with the Queen Dan or anything like that because this happened 2 weeks ago. But that man gave me such an ick. I've never intentionally avoided talking to somebody. That's so good here. Learns like that.
Yeah.
But agus sílim sa mar gealar sin ghfuil ick on inis don glas sasanach.
Ach nach bhfuil sí margheall ar an chalí na bhfuil tú leihí
and then nuair a bhí go donna state I cailing ionta G1 on. Bhí me se ar data agus bhí mé chuig data leis an celín seo nach rúna dati but bhí na dati.
Tá cuairtha céist faoi aim data ná.
Yeah. Yes, this emoji. Okay. The gra. Oh my god. It's brought ufis a hey golar datis is pléinn. They're nachwol in the Kuchanga nachwol in Kuchanga adrut an head changa. No an Mahachanga ag den I know no nur nachwol in Virtual go homeland one enough when data and you just sort of keep going on these random play dates.
Data, one magic touch him and gra.
No. By the way, or we both just bored and neither of us know what to do today.
One much Caitheann in our sealed.
And then current shit filter of diaga and leaids and they're such a naughty and it's like oh my god. Agus and sin tag and ceisiús and agluvé faoi trísam mar a Louis Conan agus dar lamsa nachrú dar le Conan agluv ceart a bhí an.
Tá an aglu a bhí ag líam do menage à trois ach heper godonna.
Well, in éire during nach sin a bhí an. However, near Hannig and Swinneoig hugam and Amberby gur sin a bhí go. I thought the whole thing was really weird. I was like, why are you here? Dan into Doyle of you. So yes, Faution gallant. I was like, why are you here? Agus a number ka question just current bench and cast in the cast term agus near lower ma chara. Agus wow, the process. Nice jacket job.
The screening process.
Anyway, so sin Nick agus bhfuil me assassin nach Ellen Shacken seo agus chuirsí Nick or.
Okay, ever a dá. Nastad anis. Nastad. Cunní gáil lei sin.
Is léir go 5 xenophobia. Okay. Tammy go take
ever a dá chur gesting art.
Hopefully this is good content. Hopefully the lack of microphone doesn't ruin it. Okay, ever the Rodella and gesting arm.
Rod nach mean to Gary rather than your be mean say on. Rod a nyanan.
See in area. ní híomsa gur ag é seo, but is fuúlamsa nuair a duine ceanslumsa chéad ar maidin. Go hairithe na daoine a chonaíam le.
Yeah, tá cart agat.
But daoine atá ag gcónaí ag géirí teacht trús agus lortlam nuair atá mé a món rung teacht agus nuair atá mé géirí a bhéile am haon. Nuair tharlaíonn sin, níl béimar sé géirí an duine sin a seachant go deo. So beidir gur sin ag. Beidir gur sin ag.
Beidir.
But mí nach bhfuil an ag le dating nó an déag leis a bheith inrod.
Níl sagam. Cé éistear ó Gen Z an freigar a thuirtú cabbí dóid an dheanann sibh conversáid. Níl sagam.
Are we saying video? I don't know. Do they use? Is it Telegram they use these days?
TikTok.
There's a new one called Morse Code. It doesn't. I can't really get onto it myself. But this is another. This is a serious egg. Serious egg. Hard eggs.
Hard eggs.
When the yolk's broken, a hard yolk and an egg.
Agus an dogann sin an ag don daine a rinn an nó don híon.
Okay, that's not an ick. I don't think I have any icks. I think the only ick I have is accent. Yeah, accent. If I don't like somebody's voice.
And risses.
No. Foster. Mona, well, no. Jesus.
Okay,
I've only got one ick. Man. It's taken 15 to 20 minutes for us to find out I've got one ick.
I go on send that furfa.
No. I think I'm so bad that I'm so forgiving of the failings of others. I think that's the thing. I think that's the issue. I'm sure I have icks. When somebody burps and doesn't like cover up or doesn't say, "Oh, excuse me," or just burps, I hate that.
Like ever though. Not very controversial.
No, very, very basic burps. I hate it whenever people just burp and say, "Oh, it's natural." I was like, "Have a bit of manners, would you?"
Could you if we matatu siúil amach le cáilín agus dheanann sí sin?
In éire harla seo urhain agus lom leithreach thug sin ectú agus bhí sogam nach seán céin dúsa. Rubh sin up until then bhí andúil go minti. Harla seo gab léanam like hanan saoirí seo but an saoirí rubh so blian go
Ga cáilín atá
about a year ago this happened about a year ago.
Your colony Liam ar fad ag check in this na data. Na mis sé bhí.
Well, it's possible. Just never see guys. But yeah, agus unfortunately hug an ectu. Yeah, that's pretty harsh, but it's rather not yam here. Yeah, that's one thing I always do, and yeah. That annoys me. There Yanan ban no far is full on me. There Yanan then you can now make sure I just sort of have to forgive it. But
yeah,
when you're in the tentative early stages of a relationship and when somebody feels prematurely comfortable to do that in front of you, it's like
you're hardly really premature sna stachi. Luad and Kadri that she jacker tacked her ash.
You want to keep things sexy for as long as possible.
An hour sin cavíad seachtain and cavíad me a hin tú go jigla ruddy a chunneol sexy. A gadru
You're talking to the master.
Gadru cavíad seachtain. Durhan me.
Okay, well to three genre on bidger or leighead gacian. You're both living in the same city. You're both living in the same county, or you're 2 counties away. So you're within 10-minute drive of each other, within 20-minute drive of each other, or within an hour's drive of each other. If you're within an hour's drive of each other, you can keep the sexiness there for months. 6 months.
Mar bheithe gcónaí ag arc go maiid ag buú lá.
Yes. A gcónaí tá amach, so higla the pajama glacu, and it's a thing. It's the highlight of your week. Tí vestí de limister Kierna like Conde no Cahar War. A couple of months. But if you live really close to each other, depending on how intense the attraction is, maybe it can be just as long. But if it's just like a casual thing,
yeah. Agus beidir go bhfuil cinneal compromise sin idir an cuma sin ag churann ag coinneal sin ar an cadre agus an deimhneacht den cadre. Mar tatú
Sílan ggóil sé díomh though, sílan ggóil sé díomh, mar sílan ggóil tréimh se jazz mar sin mhaithleoir séir. Ní híonn sin na sílimsa síon deimhneacht. Sílan ggóil deimhneacht níos leidre, níos fuide a bhhaire an chéad chuid den céidirh sin. Sin is deise is sinianta den chéidirh.
Yeah.
Agus
before they burp in your face.
Yes, man. Fuck me, like, you know, like near Ekim sa furig Johnny Shin with Cormoran, like, oh Jesus, man, that's disgusting. Don't do that.
So Darren,
that's everything you have ingested in the past couple of days. Just
so
go here, yeah. Oh man, shock a Hulk, because Moham's a Hulk or Ash, Sean 3 week. Sean 3 week, agus
Vermont for year and 3 week.
Shaw run at least, I don't know why, but Dini at all in Bjor so while the radio.
Like
yeah.
Like Danian tack na wallow and ober agus ag fosclú budgel course on
setting up agus nar fáimsa Snapchat no WhatsApp picture the wee bottle Wednesday night couple of beers TV. I'm like
tugging sin an
romanzo tugging sin an actu.
Kajim tegum det ní anhin sin chiha lom hían ní one hin saltas.
No, but it's like BMC swinny, you know, leaids Neil Samig and then you saw the slancha socket ní bhíonn siad déir for a slancha Neil siad ag swinny for the aclé Neil siad ag gíre you know, I know obviously once in a blue moon is grand, but like mas ruddy can take a radio agus de gra Janan siad tugging sin an actu.
Sin rud cultúr ha sílim like cardam hud san Astráil agus dúirt siad sin a rud a run bhí siad ag obair a bharm agus dúirt sé sin a rud a runachan inniu Jerry lé just bhí beor acu couple of budgel acu ahan ihe dúirt sé sin Beidir trí nach ceara gach ihe agus bhí sé a dheanú sin ar fai
mí. All more hismóirí fin le Junior agus réimmar sin, but agus a rís all matan go romancio matan ban ag Janis sin a gúnaí le Junior. Tugging sin an actu, I don't know why. It's ní mhaid an alcohol. A chahain a tatu gol Annie mar ceart. Agus de huúin is Chrissy.
Oh yeah. Shouldn't die stranchel there no way.
Hypocrisy in the standing. But I mean, that's the thing about it, Nick. There's absolutely no logical explanation. It just gives you dick.
Well, it's not go well, like very, very deep-rooted psychological cura that ahan ec cumoi.
Si Beiidir nach bhain sa alcohol a bheith ulta sohaile a rí na seachtaine ní hílim sa ggóil sé ní hílim go mhaile me sohaile leis an seach. No, I think it's more like it's you go out in public and you have a bit of crack.
Yeah. Well, as mine Beiidir ihe aine Beiidir fin all le it's a Jack ma tadi le Daniel Jack Elna.
Okay.
Yan hine Beiidir again Jerry Shackney like ihe ahan Jerry Shackney.
Ní lad hien.
No, han yum hien.
No, like you're not Neil just because you're Marielle to work here in office, you're watching Michael Scott and you're gonna have look at me and have it gives me like there's nothing wrong with it. I know plenty of people that do it. Is Stevie Intacha Id. I have plenty of things that are X for other people, but shin what 3X. Last Ulk Sassanach. Jin Canal.
Ik heb in them.
Urla, like burps.
Burps, yeah.
Agus Dini all Bjor Aaron Tullig Larna Shackna.
Tin go mai. For much amach could war for the doing hien. Shackna show.
Well more now my flaga.
Shack momentje. Vit gra vit hurty voice note hugam a glorch for the wajin. Here es me this. Vit interproductive.
Well, vi me ag leo out garage when effect no when bontaste le iri hammer beer and wajin kabe am iri into le gold team we leaids.
Yeah.
The closer the nice congaraí than the iri Negrania and spar obviously, but like le bontaste and Negrania agus sinner para the gold team we bog nach leaids Jake Bomanche agus sinna eil.
Yeah, maar tashi into moi vi me sé geiste le podcast for sin an angle a hen atá an green gan sin change sé stack like de hulia agus osglin sé like the clog corp agus
Tossiad sin gaffer ag bogger. Ge inslach agus gaffer. So agus so vi keel sort of keelish agus so instead of having breakfast here I just made myself walk outside. There's a bloody spider. Agus Hugh me G champtons agus fussy me leo and what he make him white bog nach leaids lad. Just walk straight outside, no
clothes.
No clothes.
Just gacht in je garkorm what he me chromig Johnny Rod special.
That is the word we're upon it.
For me an hour shall not wear me rubber.
Swinging about. But who me higgin cafe agus what he got mice so brought the bass book with me, brought the Irish book with me, agus my laptop so Cuig no Jay Bomanche leis and lower basket just to work our focal, try and get the brain thinking and lowering ilig just for a couple of Bomanche, a couple of ruddy layout and then what he may rail a screw. The grad black and say what you do to be rail a screw.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
So I would highly recommend it. I don't know any of the science behind it, but it just felt good. So
Run me sé rud céine. Jimmy níos luúthe Jimmy agus seachtar modin an áit lechan é seach agus mé dom hiúlaid modine ag éisteach le bar scialta agus just bíonn tú moscailte go leithre.
Conan, an agus tá agam go cean ag sounds like pet a shade if you it's not pet a shade but like there's me into here. It's fun rod area agus go amach go luúr an maidin. Early bird catches the worm and all that there. But it's from my head. So I wanted to say to you, will tú go gur a steachar and will tú go gur a steachar and survey sin where TG Cahar agus radio na Gilteach there. Perfect for you.
And survey.
And chat direction a wormage o undinition tag Johnny survey for radio na Gilteach agus TG Cahar.
Hadeglan níos mó a Lord faoi seo inis a hairde ach is cása go bhfuil muid a másc hostile takeover bed. TG Cahar. I should have geared much a chora in our door.
Like this is perfect for you, man. Other than virtual it's tough and then you Ashton the Clara Engliger the Gilteach there. Mar ní is just like in
No, tá muid go annacht neois blach ní. Cé muid an offer ardy. Come on, cé muid le an jark nach bhfuil summer bhí.
Ní bheith clúig den your beef because you have to get through. That was a feel. Okay. Agus cúbom se dearnach.
No, gá womanse.
Right, Conan. The Jane should es budget around to real with the hill.
Níl an tám agan dá sin lí. Sin est ar an tacan sogan don scíal inta é sin.
Oh, why you should discipline, man? Very quickly, tell me about the worst date in your life. Did you get there?
And data is massa.
And data
Níl an tám agan tá bomanse.
Okay, hug ban and ik Dutch real.
Ní dearhann go sonrach go dog ban teacht ectú. Cynta na go mrá an nach ro sim na dúil na a tratin agam an. Níor bhaithimí
data agad riú le Caitheann agus Richard Miami agus ní ceanú chuig data níor rudigin níor hanigan ec art in Amberbay. No.
No.
You said, oh no, this is it. No.
Either hanach sé leithreach na nach danach sé.
In the blinkers arms it. Sin to go then you can just go hinta. And that comes to really not well.
Agus ar an bombshell sin céimmuid agad an sacan seo.
Gur an waigh mas rudiger an sibling gur an waigh